Hi guys, welcome back to another gorgeous eye makeup look, and this look I've named as Pink Candy Eye Makeup Look. I know most of you are watching my channel for the first time, so before I get started with this look, let me introduce myself. Hi, I am Preeti and I'm a professional makeup and aesthetics artist. So let's start with the makeup, and as usual I'm gonna apply my lip balm on my lips, which is from Blue Heaven, and to moisturize my face I'm using Wow Science Hyaluronic Acid, which is a gel based cream, and massage it into my skin. For any bridal or party makeup queries, you can contact me through my website. I'm gonna mention it on the description box, so please do not forget to check the description box. Okay, so now I'm using a primer. To prime my face, I'm using Youth Roche, which is an illuminating primer. This primer, I tell you, it's a bomb. The best part of this primer is that the texture of your skin gets so soft and smooth, and the face is literally glowing. Now that I'm done with applying my primer, I'm going to start preparing my eye base. So for that, I'm using, as usual, my favorite Maybelline eraser, and I'm going to apply it all over my eyelids and set it with a powder. So today I'll be using Morphe 38C palette, and from this palette, as you can see, there are only two shades of pink, and from this I'm using the lightest shade of pink, and I'm going to apply it on my crease area. Now to make my crease line more prominent, I'm going to apply this dark shade of pink on the same area that I've applied earlier. So for this eye makeup look, I'm not going to use any concealer. I'm using a liquid lipstick, which is in shade pink. This is a matte lipstick, and I'm going to apply it all over my eyelids. Now while I was applying this lipstick, I completely forgot that this lipstick dries so easily, and it actually took me very long to blend it, but then I corrected with my other eye, and I made sure that the lipstick doesn't dry fast. If you are a beginner and now you want to apply a liquid lipstick, then what you can do is you can use a normal liquid lipstick and you can do the same procedure that I'm doing. To set this lipstick, I'm using a darker shade of pink from the same palette, and I'm going to apply it all over my eyelids. Now to get that pink candy sugary look, I'm using my favorite palette, that is from Tarte Cosmetics, and I'm applying this silver and pink shimmer on my eyelids. For my liner, I'm using Nykaa Get Ink Sketch Eyeliner pen, and with this I'm going to draw a wing eyeliner. From the same palette, I'm going to swatch this skin colored shimmery eyeshadow, and I'm going to apply it on my brow bone area. For my waterline, I'm using Lakme Iconic Kajal. For my foundation, I'm using Huda Beauty Pop's Filter Foundation in the shade Baklava, and generally I use cheesecake and mix it with baklava, but my skin tone is little tan, so that is why I'm using it. By the way, I forgot to apply correctors, so here I'm also using Kryolan 303 wherever I have dark pigmentation, and I'm going to use my Vichy Beauty Blender, and I'm going to blend it all over my face. For my highlighter, I'm using Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer, and I'm not sure with the shade. You can just check the description box with whatever products I've been using in this. I've used in this makeup tutorial. So yeah, I'm going to apply it on my bridge of my nose, my chin, and using the same blender, I'm going to blend very well. To set this concealer, I'm using Makeup Revolution banana powder, and I'm going to apply it all over my face, that is wherever I've applied my concealer. For contouring, I'm using Any Girl HD Pro Concealer, and I'm going to apply it on my hollows of my cheek, then on my bridge of my nose, and to cover my neck portion, I'm going to apply it over there, and I'm going to blend it using a blender, and I'm blending it on the upward direction. For my blusher, I'm using Essence Blusher, which is from Algeria, and the shade is actually a pink tone, so this is actually going to look very nice with the look that I've created. For contouring, I'm using Tarte Cosmetics contour and blush palette, and I'm going to apply it all over my face, and using the same palette I've applied my highlighter. To complete this look, I'm using a pink shade lip pencil, and I'm going to first line my lips. And for my lipstick, I'm using the same liquid lipstick that I've applied on my eyelids. So this look has to be a little dramatic, so yes, that is why I'm applying false lashes. And to save the mehnat that I've done on my face, I'm using Makeup Revolution Fixing Spray, and yeah, that's the final look that I've created. And again, I'm really very sorry for not posting my video on time. Actually, I have recorded this video like 3 weeks back, but still I was not getting time to do a voiceover. But yeah, finally I'm going to post this video. If you're not liking my video, then please suggest me what type of content do you really want to see, so that I can improve myself on that part. Thanks for watching my video. Bye bye. Love you all.